When it comes to the best quality desktop tower PC, all you need is Asmarina computers. Your PC will thank you every day you use it. This is an example. We are January 2023. A desktop PC built for a professional user. What do you need? You need quality parts, work together to deliver consistency and good results. I have been talking about the fan all the time when we build the new computers, and I stress that if you have a good quality computers without having a cooling fan that's superior, then you're missing something, and that will basically eventually will lead to a faults or overheat or issues that we encounter all the time. So for this example, we installed this new cooling fan for the CPU, which is a very popular brand, deliver consistency and good result. Overall, like for the sake for this PC build, you can see it has the latest generation of Intel i7 CPU processor with 32 GB RAM, because it will be used for heavy rendering and work with engineering software. So we have a special NVIDIA graphic card to tackle that. So basically, this is a good investment for a user want to have consistency and long life, a stable tower PC to work in their office.